Een mens is dood tydens gewelddadige betogings by die informele nedersetting Tandukanya in Piet Retief in Mpumalanga. Inwoners het slaags geraak met die polisie oor swak dienslewering.
Die betogers beskuldig die burgemeester van die plaaslike munisipaliteit van korrupsie en weiering om dienste te lewer. Die plaaslike kliniek en munisipaliteit se voertuie is aan die brand gesteek. Al die paaie is ook versper. Die inwoners sê hulle dring aan op 'n beter lewe.
The pending issue are the councillors that are selling RTP houses, of which most of the community have registered for RTP houses, only to find that those who have been issued with RTP houses have received letters from the Mkondo municipality, signed by the municipal manager, that they don't belong to those particular houses.
Skade is aan talle ondernemings aangerig en die nooddienste is ingespan teen verskeie brande.
The provincial government have actually intervened in the situation. The Office of the MEC for Cooperative Governance and Traditional Affairs, they've already appointed the people to investigate the allegation of corruption in Mkondo municipality.
Die inwoners sê hulle sal voortgaan met die protesoptrede totdat daaraan al hulle eise voldoen word.